Hola, hola chicas y chicos, bienvenidos. Today we're going to learn how to give our opinions of plural foods, and you'll see that it is slightly different to what we have to do when we give our opinion of singular foods. First of all, let's just have a quick recap of the plural foods that we practiced last time. Have a go at saying them after me. Los plátanos, los tomates, los bocadillos, los mariscos, las naranjas, las manzanas, las fresas, las peras, las galletas. Right, now if you want to ask the question to somebody, do you like, and then one of the plural foods, the question is, ¿te gustan? ¿Te gustan? ¿Te gustan? So, for example, if you wanted to ask them, do you like bananas? You would say, ¿te gustan los plátanos? And the answer that you would give if you like bananas is, me gustan los plátanos. Me gustan los plátanos. Have you noticed the difference between these opinions and the singular opinions that we saw last time? You'll notice that te gustan has got a n on the end, and the reply me gustan also has got a n on the end. Remember, we found out that me gusta means it pleases me. But we can't say, and it doesn't make sense in English, bananas pleases me. In English, just like in Spanish, we need a plural verb so that we can say bananas please me. And that's why we've changed from the a ending to the an ending, because it's plural. So, me gustan los plátanos literally means the bananas please me, but in English it makes a lot more sense to say I like bananas. Now, just as before, there are some alternatives to me gustan if you want to say another opinion about the food. So we have me encantan for I love with a plural food. No me gustan, I don't like, a plural food. And the one that doesn't change is odio, because it still has the o on the end, which means I, like in tengo and me llamo, for example. So if I asked you some questions about foods that you like, what would your answers be? For example, if I said, ¿te gustan las galletas? ¿Te gustan las galletas? What would your answer be? A mí me encantan las galletas. And what about this question? ¿Te gustan los mariscos? ¿Te gustan los mariscos? Yo odio los mariscos. Odio los mariscos. Now, when we're talking about the foods and the drinks that we like and don't like, very often we have to think very carefully about the food that we're talking about and whether it's singular or plural, because that's going to affect the opinion that we use. So listen to these foods that you haven't heard before and tell me whether you would say me gusta or me gustan. So if somebody asked you about las lechugas, me gusta or me gustan? Las lechugas. That's right, it would be me gustan because it's plural. And if somebody asked you about el café, would that be me gusta or me gustan? El café. That's right, it would be me gusta because it's singular. What about if they asked you about the Spanish favourite la paella? la paella. Would it be me gusta or me gustan? That's right, me gusta, because it's singular. And finally, if they asked you if you liked sweets, they would say the word los caramelos. Los caramelos. Would that be me gusta or me gustan? That's right, it would be me gustan because it's plural. Well done. Hasta luego.